So what's up guys, your girl Dama. I'm back to bring you guys another video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you'll be up to date with all my videos. But I might sound a little, you know, a little not crazy, but a little under the weather, but that's because I've been doing a lot of running around, so your girl is extra tired today. But I just had to get this video up, so here I am. I'm gonna give you guys, you know, a dope video as always, so let's get right into it. These are the Air Max 97s. These are the have a Nike day Air Max 97s. I got them in a size 6. There you go. Love these. But these are so pretty. Yeah, these are the perfect spring sneaker. The Air Jordan Turbo 1s, I'll link the video above. Those are also a great spring sneaker. Like anything soft with like pastel colors and things like that, I believe it's a nice, you know, spring colorway. Bring out your nice, pretty, bright sneakers for the springtime. Perfect. But I love these. I actually seen a lot of pairs online that had less pink on it. I'm not sure if, you know, certain pairs came out different or what have you, but some pairs it looked like there was a little less pink piping and just the coral color. It looked like there was a little less of it on the shoe. I'm not sure if just because these are the Gradeschool releases that it, you know, the men's are slightly different, but all in all I'm still happy with these. I love the purple trimming, and then you have the have a Nike day all around. Then you have the pink trim. It's like a leather pink trim right here. Then you have the pink mesh that goes into the like turquoise color squiggles. Then on the back you have a Nike day, and you have the purple piping. Oh, let's not forget the happy swoosh face. And on the bottoms it's just a plain black and white sole. Then you have the little purple swoosh at the bottom. Very basic bottom, but that's cool being that there's a whole lot of colors going on. Has the white laces. And let's get into the sneaker inside. So inside there's no like Nike or anything on the insole. It's just plain turquoise color and that's it. On the tongue you have this like basket weave looking pattern, and it's in black and white. If I can find them for you guys, I'll definitely link them below so you guys can pick them up. I'm thinking about it, I might go pick up the turquoise pair, but I'm not sure because the Air Max 97s dropped in 3 colorways for the Gradeschool. It's this pair, there's a turquoise pair, and there's also a gray pair. So I might get the turquoise pair, I'm not sure as of yet, but if I do, it'll be an unboxing. If I don't, whatever. But these are what they look like. Here's an overview of the shoe. Oh, and let me mention to you guys, I actually got these for the low too. They were $130, I believe, from Nike. So it was kind of a little, you know, a little no-brainer for me. But these are what the Air Max 97s have a Nike day look like. Just want to thank you guys for, you know, tuning into my video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. If you have any, you know, video ideas or anything that you may want me to review, just leave them down below in the comment section. Until my next video, I will definitely see you guys later.